Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest and greatest products hitting the market. Today, we're diving into the world of ostomy care with a product that's been making waves, the SIIL Ostomy Belt for men and women. Let's jump right in. The SIIL Ostomy Belt is more than just a belt. It's a game changer for individuals living with colostomies, ileostomies, or urostomies. Crafted with care in Europe, this belt is designed to provide comfort, security, and confidence to its users. Now, what sets the SIIL Ostomy Belt apart from the rest? Let's talk features. First up, the inner pocket. This innovative design feature safeguards your ostomy bag with the utmost care, providing peace of mind throughout the day. Next, the elastic opening. No more fumbling with your bag, simply insert it into the opening and secure it in any position for leak-free wear. Say goodbye to roll-ups. The adjustable medical Velcro fastens the belt perfectly to your body, ensuring a snug fit without any discomfort. Need to empty your ostomy bag? No problem. The SIIL Ostomy Belt incorporates a hidden zipper for easy access, making maintenance a breeze. And for those who love the water, you'll be thrilled to know that this belt is the best option for swimming. Its fast dry fabric and delicate design make it perfect for any aquatic activity. Speaking of fabric, the SIIL Ostomy Belt is crafted from high-quality, transpirable fibers that feel like a second skin. Say goodbye to sweating and discomfort, this belt has got you covered. That wraps up our review of the SIIL Ostomy Belt. If you're in the market for the best colostomy belt for men, look no further. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more product reviews from Product Critique. Until next time, happy shopping!